Hello, in this video we will solve Natas 23. So on logging in, we can see that we are being asked to enter a password. As there are no other possible hints, let's check the source code to find out what the password is. In the source code, there is only one function with an if condition that has two parts, and if satisfied will give us the password for Natas 24. So let's talk about the two parts of the if condition. The first part checks if the password field of the request has I love you as a substring or not. If I were to elaborate further, the str x, y is a PHP function that finds the first occurrence of a string y inside a string x and returns the rest of the string from that particular first occurrence on. While it may not matter much to us, all that matters is that I love you must be a part of a string, because in PHP, the condition within the if statement is evaluated based on a concept called truthiness. When a non-empty string is used as a condition, it is considered to be true. As a result, if there is anything that is written within this first part, it will be considered true. So we'll input I love you in our password. But as we can see, the second condition is comparing the string with an integer, that is 10. So let's understand how we will fulfill the second condition. Type juggling refers to the PHP's ability to automatically convert values from one type to another during certain operations, such as in this case comparison. If the password field of the request cookie contains in it a number greater than 10, let's say the password field has 11 I love you, the condition will result in true. When comparing a string with a numeric value in PHP, the string is automatically converted to a numeric value for the purpose of comparison. In this case, 11 I love you is converted to a numeric value because it begins with the numeric characters. During the conversion, PHP extracts the leading numeric characters from the string until it encounters a non-numeric character. In this case, the leading numeric characters are 11. If we were to write 11 I love you, so PHP will convert 11 I love you to 11. Therefore, if we write 11 I love you in the password field, we should get our answer. So we'll write 11 I love you and we'll try to log in. And as we can see, we have our password. It works.